Hello everyone, we continue from where we stopped. So we are still under sequences and series, and this is arithmetic progression. Now let's look at this question on the screen. Look at it, and if you can solve it, so solve it and let's see what you're going to have. So let me start from here. Solution. Okay, find the common difference of an AP if 2 times Tn and Tm are given. Therefore, we are looking for the common difference when we now have Tn and Tm being the given terms. Now, you should recall that when you have Tn, this is number of term is always A plus n take away 1, then D. All right. Then also, we now have another term which is Tm. So it means that anywhere you see n here, you will replace by m. So we're going to have Tm will now be A plus m minus 1, then D. So now have we have two equations here, 1 and 2. Don't forget that we are looking for D. So from here, what do? We subtract this from this. That is, we do subtraction. We're going to have Tn take away Tm will be equal to A minus A. That will go. This minus this, we're going to have n minus 1 minus m minus 1. But D is common, so we just put D at the back here, like we factor out D. Are you following? So now the next thing we're going to do, we have Tm minus Tn, okay, minus Tm will be equal to, let's simplify this further. We're going to have n take away 1 minus m, then plus 1. We have D. Understood? So from there, we're going to have Tn take away Tm will now be equal to, if you simplify this further, minus plus, that will be n minus m, then D. Now don't forget what you are looking for. You are looking for common difference, which is our D. So from there, what are you going to do? You just divide both sides by n minus 1. So you're going to have Tn minus Tm divided by what? N minus m. But in this case, for n greater than what? M. So therefore, your n must be greater than m. So before this can work. And that is our common difference, what you are looking for. Are you following? So now from there, this is now the general formula. If you are given if you have a sequence, okay, where the number is not listed, you are only given 2 terms, and they ask you to find the common ratio and the, so you can easily use this formula for common difference, and you are going to get your answer. Instead of you going through solving simultaneous equation, just bring down this formula and you get your. So how to apply this, so I'm going to show you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this class very interesting, do not forget to share to your friends so they can learn better. Bye bye.